Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the exact reader and card type, so you avoid forcing the wrong size. Insert the SD with contacts down and the notch aligned. You should feel a light click. Once done, connect any external USB adapter to your computer or phone. Modern hosts support hot plug, but confirm device protection. You do this because correct orientation prevents pin damage and the click ensures full electrical contact for reliable data transfer. Once the card is inserted and detected, open your file manager so you can navigate immediately. You want to verify capacity and free space to avoid partial transfers. If the system doesn't auto-mount, try a different USB port or adapter to rule out hardware issues before running utilities. You should copy important files first rather than dragging in place. That prevents accidental overwrites and preserves originals while checks like quick disk verification confirm integrity. You finish by using the operating system's eject or safely remove command so write caches flush and the file system remains consistent. Then remove the card gently. If files are missing or corrupted, create an image of the card and run chkdsk or FSCK, because working on an image prevents further damage. Make sure to replace the card or adapter if errors persist, since repeated failures usually indicate hardware wear or contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.